As you can see, we are gearing up for some work because we had an unexpected winter this year. The winter comes so suddenly. It damaged a lot of the trees. A lot of trees are stuck in snow. Some are fell down in the snow. So we are here gearing up because it's soon time for the tree them to get bloom. As you can see, there are still leaves that frozen on the tree, and it's going to take some time for them to fall on the ground. As you can see, the snows are taking time to melt. So, so as you can see right there, up that stretch, it's like snow going up. And as you can see some like dry spot between the snow. It's melting. If we go along and get like 2 days of rain, then it will be good. As you can see right there. Walk along and you can see all those leaves are frozen on the tree right there.